Guys, welcome to another video. So I've got a little AliExpress that I want to share with you. Just a few items that I've picked up recently. Anyone that's new to AliExpress is an online marketplace where you can buy pretty much anything. So this is going to be a nail art products haul. But AliExpress sell, like I say, pretty much everything, guys, from hair care to beauty supplies, pet supplies, clothes, shoes, accessories, automobile stuff, toys, homeware, electrical items, pretty much anything, you name it, they pretty much sell it. And their prices are super affordable. Now, I remember when I first started buying off AliExpress, you used to have to wait ages for things to arrive, like I'm talking weeks. Now, most of my items arrive within a week, maybe just over a week, the odd items, but usually within a week I receive my items. Their shipping is so much faster now than what it used to be. A lot of items are also free shipping as well. If you spend over £8, it's free shipping, which is really nice. So what I normally do is I normally show you bits what I've got, and I'll leave the price of what I paid in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. And then if there's anything that you see me show in the video and you're interested in buying yourself, if you go to my description box, you'll find the link to every item that I show you in today's video in there. And I've also got some amazing discount codes as well, guys, at the minute for AliExpress. So if you do decide to place yourself an order, make sure you take full advantage of those discount codes because they are amazing. I even use them myself when I'm placing orders. I use my own discount codes. Why not? That's what they're there for, you know. They're there for you to use. If anyone doesn't understand the discount codes in my description box, just leave me a comment and I'll try and explain it a little bit better. But I think you're going to understand how they work. Quite easy to understand. So yeah, I think that's everything that I need to tell you about AliExpress. So let's get on into it and see what we've got, shall we? This first item I'm super excited to share with you. I've been waiting for AliExpress to get these in for ages. I've been searching for them and they've finally popped up. So these are jewel forms. As you can see, they are a tapered square jewel form. The size 0 is massive. No one is going to struggle to find a jewel form to fit their thumb. These are huge. But what they also include on the bottom row is the underside jewel forms. So if you've not seen people using these on Instagram, they fit on the underside of the free edge of your natural nail like that. And then you fill the top jewel form with polygel or whatever product that you're using, and then you apply the jewel form over the top. So that keeps that underside nice and neat, keeps the top nice and neat, and it also gives you the perfect thickness as well. These are really cool. I'm going to be doing a video on these very soon, guys, so if you didn't quite understand my explanation, I will be doing a video showing you use them. So that is the smallest size. It is really tiny, actually. So that is size 14, and then this is size 14 of the lower jewel form. So I'm just trying to show you here. So they kind of fit under that free edge of your natural nail, and you can attach them with a little bit of base coat just to make sure that it keeps them sturdy. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We've got 15 different sizes, 0 to 14. A massive range of sizes there. So you should have at least a jewel form to fit each nail without having to adjust them. And they wasn't super expensive either, guys. So next up we have got some flocking powder. If anyone's never seen flocking powder before, it's kind of like fluffy fibres. Can you see? Can you see the fibres in there? Yeah, it's just like fluff, really. You can make snow nails with them. I thought this colour would be great to do some teddy bear nails. I really like this stuff. I've seen a few cool designs done with this, so I thought I'd have to get myself some. I just thought, get every single colour, why not? It's always good to get a good variety of colours, isn't it? And again, they were really cheap as well, guys. This, I can't wait to try. This is going to be great for when I'm using them jewel forms. So this is an LED lamp. Well, LED torch, I'd call it more so. But you also get this stand with it as well, which is going to be really helpful. This is portable, it's cordless. I have already given it a full charge before I started recording the video. This one's from Nail Pop, and you press the button and you get 60 seconds. As you can see, it starts timing downwards, so you know how long it's been on for. That's what it looks like on. It's a nice bright torch. So I want to use it mainly for flash curing my cuticle areas when I'm using jewel forms. So it's got a magnet on the back of it, look, and this is how it attaches to the stand. So you can have it at all different angles like this, which is really helpful. It means you can get both hands underneath it, one with the dual form on, and then you've got a free hand there where you can hold the dual form down with, like that. So it's really nice that you can get both hands underneath there. This is going to make dual form work so much easier. And I'm all for an easy life when it comes to doing nails, believe me. And it looks nice, so I can keep it on my desk as well. So that cable in that box is just the charging cable. It's a USB charger, so you just need a USB plug to plug it into. We've got that. Next up, we've got some, I don't know, it's not really glitter, but it kind of falls under glitter sequins, I guess. It's really weird. I've never seen anything like it before. Can you see? It's like iridescent, and when it goes over a black, it gives such a beautiful blue shift. It's so pretty, and it's really, really fine. So you'd be able to use that with gel polish, no problem. But yeah, it's really weird stuff. I've never seen it before. You get a load of it as well in this pot. I don't know how big that pot is, I can't remember now. But I will leave a note in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen now telling you what the weight is. We've got that. And then we've got some swatch sticks. Now, I thought I'd ordered the clear square. You do get number stickers as well. Yeah, I thought I'd ordered the square ones that I normally use, but I hadn't. I'd ordered these. Even though these were called almond, they're not almond at all. They're actually coffin. But I'm quite pleased I ordered them by mistake now, because I actually really like them. So that is a pack of 80. Not a bad price either for those. Really happy with that price. Next up, we've got some chameleon pigment powders. Now, these I was really chuffed with, but I didn't realise how chuffed I was until after the video. So, in these, you get a pack of, I think they're 12, if I'm not mistaken. 1, 2, 3, no, sorry, a box of 10. So, I've got 20 different chameleon powders, and these are so pretty. My camera did not do these justice at all. The colour shift on them is amazing. But the reason I was even happy with these after the video is, once I started looking at them, I thought they looked more like a really fine glitter, and I wasn't going to be able to use them as chrome powders. But after the video, I top coated a black swatch stick and tried to use them as a chameleon chrome powder, and they burnished straight into that top coat. I was buzzing. So I was thinking I might just have to use these for my resin, but no. I can also use them as chrome powders on nails. I'm so happy. And they burnished in beautifully as well, guys. Look at that, look, like a purple to a pink. Beautiful. We've got like a brown, and look at that, shifts to a green. So pretty these are. Like I say, my camera wasn't really doing them justice at all. Look at that one, like a brown to a pink. Stunning. So I'm just going to flick through these. I'll pop a little bit of music on just while I quickly flick through these colours and show you them. And I'll pop back in once I've showed you all of them. So guys, that's the 20 chameleon powders. Now we've got this Lime Girl Wash Free Painting Gel, number 10. So what this is, I showed a couple of these in a previous video. What these are kind of like pat paints, but look at the colours of them, guys. They're like chameleon-y, metallic-y sort of colours. They're well smart. A bit aurora-y as well. That one in the middle is well cool, isn't it? I can't wait to do something with that. Look at that. It's like a purple shifting to a bluey green. It's so smart. Can't wait to have a little play with those. Definitely want to be doing some ombres. These are great for doing ombres with sponges. And then lastly, we've got these notes. Now, I was hoping these were going to be a little bit smaller, to be honest. But you can still use them if I was doing kind of longer nails. But they're not going to be great for short nails. So you get 20 in each pack. They're really, really thin, so you can encapsulate them into nail art. And you see how thin they are. They're really nice and thin. But yeah, I was hoping there was going to be a little bit smaller than that, to be honest. But let me show you what they look like individually. This is what I'd like to try. I would like to try and insert them into jewel forms. And then build the nail around the note, so you could have it on the nail going that way. So we'll definitely have to give those a try. So that's everything for my little AliExpress haul today, guys. Like I said at the beginning, everything that I've showed you today, I'm going to leave links for in my description box. So if there's anything that you have seen me showing that you're interested in, all you got to do is click that link and it will take you straight to the item. It's really, really easy. Also, if you do decide to place yourself an order, don't forget to take full advantage of my discount codes, which I'm going to pin in my comments. I think you're going to understand how them discount codes work. If anyone doesn't quite understand it, just leave me a comment and I'll explain it a little bit. Well, I'll try to explain it a bit better. But I think it's quite self-explanatory how they work. So yeah, I think that's everything about that. If you want to see me using some of these goodies, guys, especially them new jewel forms, make sure you hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Because I'm definitely going to be doing a video with them jewel forms this week, because I can't wait to give them a try. I've been waiting for AliExpress to get them in for ages. I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.